sway bar. That was much easier than I expected it was going to be. I'm sure this will go perfectly smoothly, and I'm pretty sure nothing will go wrong. I think I'll have it done in like 20 minutes, and that's why this video is like only going to be 3 minutes long, because I'm going to obviously skip through all the boring parts where nothing goes wrong and it works perfectly. So yeah. Probably don't need to unwrap this until I've got the other one off. I assume we'll need a socket kit, and I may need some fans, but let's just see what we're going to do here. Audi. You couldn't just make this shit easy, could you? Couldn't be a normal socket. Has to be a magical hex, stupid, whatever, I don't know, a star thing socket. Why? It's a sway bar. Is this a theft risk? What? Why? That's not going to be big enough. None of these are going to be big enough, are they? I have to go to the stupid shops, get a stupid tool, this stupid car. Imagine making it easy to work with. Like, hello Henry.
Hello.
How you going?
Good.
Good. Oh, that fits. Hello Izzy.
Hello.
How you going?
You put the car on that?
Yeah, I drove it up onto it. Don't slip and kill me. Yeah, okay, so can you really happy about that?
Can I see what's under?
Yeah, it's car stuff. What do you want to know? You point at something, I'll tell you what it is. That's the muffler. Watch out, I gotta get out. Don't spill it. Go on.
It's all dark.
It is all dark. I don't know why, but these chisels seem to get blunt really quickly. This one. Why must everything be so difficult? And now it won't fit because it's too long. I knew I had something like this around. It fit. Is that one small? Oh, yes! Even better. Now, it's going to work first time. First time. No problems. It's not going to slip. It's not going to be the wrong size bit. What the f... What? What? It's an... Are you kidding me? Okay, no. Okay, good. Good. And by good I mean very bad. I have damaged it by using the correct tool, and by the correct tool I mean definitely not the correct tool. The way you solve problems like this, when you damage your car, is you get a hammer and solve it with percussion. Oh, and like of course the hammer don't fit you. That would be. This is exactly how Audi does it in the factory. Oh yes. Oh, this is good. This is very good. Very happy about this. Now, a bit of percussion to get it off. Classic. Classic. Everything's going smoothly. 1. Do I dare ruin my mood by attempting to get the next one off? If this just comes off, going to be happy. Oh my god. It works. It works. 1.8 volts off. Pro tip, take the top one off first, because when you take one of them off, the other one is going to take all the weight and it's going to be harder to get off. So take the top one off because it's hard to get off in general. You understand what I mean? I'm glad they made these bolts so long, because otherwise, like, if it was any shorter, it wouldn't work, would it? Like, if it was half as long, then you wouldn't have this visually attractive bit sticking out the end. Oh. Oh. Easy. Now, why no movie move? You do movie move. Well, that's successful. That was easy. This part's going to be so easy. So far, as I predicted, super easy. No problems. Alright, how is it attached under here? Oh, that's pretty cool. Wow, they use this crazy, newfangled, old-fangled technology called a normal nut. Why would you not just do that for the rest of it then? Why would you... I feel like this is harder than it needs to be for some reason. You know how some people have perfect pitch where they can hear a note and then it can say like, that's middle C or whatever. I have perfect nuts. No, let me rephrase that. This is a 12. See? Oh. I meant a 14. I meant a 13. Yeah, see? Perfect. Perfect. I knew that. I have a ratchet spanner, but it's due to my amazing organisation system, it's not as easy to find. It will take me more time to find the ratchet spanner than it will to do this. Oh, the other side's spinning, and it's a 12 as well. Yeah, so here's that ratchet spanner I was talking about. That was really fast. Well, that's pretty cool. Look at that. Doesn't help me, but it's pretty cool. What the hell is that connection? These sway bar links are plastic. What? Plastic sway bar links. What? That's like nylon. Probably glass fiber reinforced, but still. Nylon sway bar links. That's crazy. I don't like that. That makes me uncomfortable. And this kit didn't come with new ones. Ugh, yuck. Plastic. Remove sway bar. How do? And then twist that one. Oh, hello. If I removed the exhaust, it would come out very easily. But the downside is that I would have to remove the exhaust. And then this won't be a 20-minute job anymore. And I've already spent about 3 hours on it, so... Where do they disconnect? There. It's hectic. That's a lot. That's a lot to remove. That's achievable. 1, 2. This is quite easy as well. Look at that. Can you just look at that. So easy. I also definitely won't forget what goes where. Oh, look at that. Well, that's off. Look at the other side. And the exhaust will not fall and hit me. No way. There's another mount somewhere. There's no way that's the only mount. There has to be another mount. That's the only mount? How heavy is this exhaust? I'm hoping not very heavy, since I'm about to take it off. Now, how do you come off? Easily, I hope, and assume. Okay, I've decided that's enough for today. I'll do the last part of the 20 minutes tomorrow. No way, that's like intensely all the way up. Oh my god, no way. No way. It worked. Alright, cool. Well, that was way easier than I would have expected. Okay. Do I need to take that off? I'm hoping no. I'm gonna leave it. Let's see what happens. What a irritating job. Yeah, man, why wouldn't you put the exhaust underneath the sway bar? Okay, interesting. Oh, I see. Well, basically done then, isn't it? Oh, I think that was a sway bar falling out, which is a thing. Oh my god. Unsweber. These end links are going to have to come off. I can't believe they're plastic. That's crazy. Plastic end links. Man, the weight difference is significant. That looks like a 17 to me. 17. Oh, see? Every time. Never ever get it wrong. It might be a 16. It is 16. It spins. I need a spline bit. But yeah, I bought 1 billion of them. That one. Success. Now, there's the. Just take this one. No, I'm not going to actually chuck it in the bin. Don't be silly. Old end links. Now I'm going to put it on the tightest setting, the most aggressive setting, which is the inside one, not the outside one, the one that's closest to the pivot point, because I want to. And if I decide that it's too much, I will be very sad to have to change it in the future. Is it this way? Is it on the outside or the inside? Okay, now stick it back in. And again, this will work without any issues at all. So I've actually got to put these on. These bits, I think we just like, yeah, they go on the inside. Yeah. I don't know why, but okay, sure. Do this part next. Split. I don't think it matters which way it goes on, and even if it does, I don't care, because I can't see how it could possibly matter. To make my life easier, I'm going to line up the new mounts with approximately where the old mounts were on the other sway bar. So if I put this stuff in the right spot, that one looks pretty good. This one looks pretty not good, so I'll just push that one way out there, like that, and I'll even rotate them to be similar. Wow, that's quite a gap, whatever. Push this one around. Okay, now I can stick these ones on. This doesn't work. I'm pretty dumb, but it don't fit. It no fit. How is this supposed to work? It literally does not fit. I mean, like, this bar is bigger than all parts of this kit. Do not seem to fit. Like, I don't know, let me play with it for a second. That's not going to fit. There's no way that's going to fit. That would fit on the old one, but it's not going to fit on the new one. There's no chance. Okay, Cool, super happy about that. Love it when my stuff don't work. Kind of grumpy. The mounting kit that came with the bar does not fit the bar. It fits the stock bar. So you can see, this is the bushing that came with the kit, the white line kit. Right? Here you can see that bushing on the stock bar. It is the perfect size. Nothing wrong with that. You can also see that the aftermarket bar is quite a lot larger than the stock bar. And if I put the bushing on it, which is a struggle, it don't fit good. No. So I'm going to 3D print my own mounts for it. As, you know, just standard bolt-on mod type stuff. 20-minute job, you end up designing your own parts, printing them and installing them on your car. Thankfully, oh no, I'm in the middle of a print that has 4 hours remaining. 4 hours. 4. So I'm printing this thing. 20-minute job. Finally. My hot end clogged, if you know what I mean. So I had to fix my 3D printer, which took a couple hours. So yeah, I've only just started basically printing the bush, 1 of 2, and they each take 2 hours. So it is 6 PM on a Saturday. That's 4 hours for the bushes, best case scenario. That's 10 PM, best case scenario, that I can see if they fit. But probably I won't be trying to fit them at 10 PM. So it's going to be another day. So yeah, it's been a long 20 minutes, gotta say. Is looking pretty good. Good hardness. Feels pretty good. Anyway, so I haven't tested it, but I'm assuming it's absolutely perfect because nothing usually goes wrong. So anyway, I'm printing a new one, but this time I'm printing it with much higher layer height. So it's only been 10 minutes. Focus. And yet there's only an hour left and it's really coming along. Look at that. Focus. There we go. Yeah. So I just need to go downstairs and see if it actually fits. Hey Ellie. Hey Mia. I can't see you. You're black. Is this going to work first time? I think the answer is yes. It's going to be completely perfect. It's not. Actually, it is. Pretty much perfect. What do you think, Ellie? 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 Is it good? Yeah? Good. Let's have a look. Oh, it's pretty acceptable. It could be a little more toleranced. I have glass in my foot, hence the sleeper. But that is a working part. That's a functional, workable part. That will definitely do the trick. Everything's going perfectly with no problems at all. Day 3. I now have, well, the one that came with it that definitely does not fit, and the one I printed last night, and the one I printed last night as well. This one's probably slightly better than this one, but whatever. Crazy. Like I bought one. Nice. Test drive time. No leftover bolts. Oh, this could have been successful. Oh my god, this has been effort. A lot more effort than I was expecting. Alright. So first things first, I didn't ruin the exhaust, and there's no significant squeaking coming from the bushes, which is rare. Yeah, feels okay at the moment. Ooh, feels pretty good. So let's go around a roundabout or something. Ooh, hello. Yeah, it's not as significant as it was in my Corolla 15 years ago. I don't know however long it was when I did that to my Corolla, but it is noticeable. It is actually just, yeah, it's a bit more direct. Gotta say, I think I probably would have preferred, or I kind of hoped for a little bit more change, but it's noticeable, and I really haven't started driving it properly yet. Stinger with the number plate oinks. Honestly, the thing I'm most impressed with is just the fact that the 3D printed bushes are not making any noise. Normally they're really noisy when you just have pure urethane bushes. Bushings, I don't know, whatever. Bushes. But man, these ones seem to be doing the job. I also wonder if the shore hardness of this filament that I used is not hard enough, and maybe that's why it's not giving as much of a, it's not giving me as much feedback as I would have expected. So maybe I'll chuck a GoPro under there and have a look at some point. Feels pretty good, gotta say. It does feel pretty good. There's definitely an improved, or more refined, more Gooderer body roll characteristics than there used to be. More Gooderer. That's what I reckon. That feels good. Okay, yep. More push, more good. This is actually really good. So when you really start loading up the suspension, it really starts pushing back. So it's actually, it's probably perfect. No more audio for YouTube. It's fun time for me. Of course, that's a police car. Because it's a Kia Stinger, and all Kia Stingers are police cars. Why does this sway bar not have as much of an immediate feel as other sway bars I've put on? I don't know. Why would that be? Why would it not have as much of an immediate feel